Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a semicircle pattern using the same pattern that I used in Monday's and Wednesday's tutorials. Please see the description for links for those tutorials. Let's get started. Each of the cords that I'm using in this tutorial are 2 meters long. To create the semicircle pattern, I cut 2 pieces of mustard cord and folded each in half and attached them to my dowel. Cut an additional 2-meter piece of natural cord. We will create the same pattern as the section on the left using alternating square knots with the natural cord. Tie 1/2 square knot around the 4 strands of mustard cord. Continue tying alternating half square knots until you've reached your desired length. I will tie 30 alternating half square knots or 15 alternating square knots. We will attach 2 of the inside strands to the dowel. Bring 1 strand up in front of your work, through the middle of the semicircle and around to the front of your work, behind your work, and then back through the loop at the front. Tighten the lark's head knot so that your square knots sit just under your dowel. Repeat this process with the second strand. Continue tying square knots around all 4 mustard strands until you've reached your desired length. I will tie 12 alternating half square knots or 6 alternating square knots. I apologize about the lighting on the right side. I didn't notice that while I was filming. If you like the look of the fringe on the left side, check out my tutorial from Wednesday to add fringe to all sections of your piece. I also think it would look neat to create several semicircles of various sizes and colors. Thanks so much for watching. A couple of updates. Until the new year, I will be posting tutorials on Tuesdays and Fridays instead of Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I will be starting a new series next week called 12 Days of Christmas Tutorials, where I post a new Christmas-themed tutorial every Friday for 12 weeks. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out. Thanks so much.